Hi, so this is Nuance Media 2023 at the ZITF. Today I am at Greyhomes Construction and I'm going to be talking to Liberty. He's going to be telling us what's up. So Liberty, everything
is okay.
Okay.
As you can see, everyone is excited. We are also excited to be here at ZITF 2023.
Okay.
We are definitely excited and we are showcasing what we do.
Okay. Can you tell me about the company? What services do you offer to the market?
Okay, so Greyhomes Construction, like its name, the homes and construction part.
Okay.
We are a construction company, a one-stop construction shop actually. How are we a one-stop construction shop?
Okay.
We actually offer everything that has to do with construction. From the inside, we do everything, every detail. What we mainly focus on is the quality and also in producing a product that is a home, not a house. So we offer our construction services from fix and supply, and also if you want labor only, we do that. So what we do is we do construction from the beginning, foundation levels, everything to do with construction.
Okay.
And say maybe you've got a house that you have that you want a modern touch, we do those. We do renovations, we do extensions, we do townhouse planning, we do construction of flats, everything that you want.
Okay.
So we are your one-stop construction shop. If you want roofing, we do that. If you want tiling, we do that. Landscaping, we do that. Everything.
Okay, so I know that you service the local market when you talk to clients who are in the local market, but you also cater for people in the diaspora. Do you offer project management? How do you engage in this?
Okay, yes, we actually are into diasporans. We actually have a plan that is in place. That is the Build Your Home Diaspora Plan.
Okay.
This one is focusing those that are outside the country who wish to build here in their own country. So what we do is this plan came as an idea, as security actually, because you find out that most of the people, they were facing challenges to say they send money, but when they come there is nothing.
Okay.
Or actually what they were bringing the money to, actually the product is below par. So we offer security to those that are in the diaspora by building for them. Fix and supply will be overseeing everything.
Okay.
So they'll just be making payments and we'll be doing the building, we'll be doing the materials and everything.
Okay, so how can people get in touch with you? Where can they find you? Online, that sort of thing. You guys, you're headquartered in Harare?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any around artists, like remotely getting in touch with you? How do you do that?
Okay, so at the moment, our main offices, like you said, they're in Harare, Belvedere, 44 Longden, Belvedere. And also we have just recently opened our Bulawayo offices. They're at 7 Ho Road, Kumalo, here in Bulawayo.
7 Ho Road.
If you want to get in touch with us, we've got a Facebook page, Greyhomes Construction, the Instagram page, Greyhomes Construction, and then also an exciting thing, we are also on TikTok.
Okay.
Yes, we are a modern company that is trying to do everything.
All right.
Like we are moving with technology. So in terms of visibility, we are very visible.
Oh, I can see that. Also see the website, it's greyhomes.co.zw.
Exactly.
We're going to be sharing that. So how has been the uptake so far, like from other businesses here at the ZITF 2023? I know it's not yet open to the public, but how has it been so far for you guys?
Actually, ZITF has been an experience and it has been so exciting. From our end, to say in terms of inquiries, we are looking at an average of 8 inquiries per time.
Okay.
Everyone wants to come in. Yes, as you can see, the stand is very decorative.
The stand is packed,
it's very attractive.
I see.
But the thing is the product. As you can see, most of the people, they want their houses to be built. They want some project they want. So we have been seeing results. People are coming through, people are asking, people are getting what they are asking for, and we are also getting business.
Okay. I've been also seeing when you fly here, you have some units that are coming up. Are these things that you're going to be sharing with the general public as they come through to the ZITF?
Oh, okay. Thank you for that. So as you can see on the flyer, there is the Centon clusters. These are actually being sold as we speak, and also they are actually reaching the finishing stages and everything. So this will be a gated community with about 7 units. It's actually 3-bedroom houses that are there. A 3-bedroom house, a main bedroom that we have an in-suite, a super nice in-suite. Then the 2 bedrooms will be sharing bathroom and a toilet. in a
Okay.
modern way.
All
Then
right.
we've got your open plan kitchen and the dining
Okay.
together with the lounge.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay.
So it's actually something that is very nice. It's very secure with your own water supply, with your own electricity supply.
Where is this?
This is in Harare Central area, a new development. The best thing about this one now is, you know, there is the upcoming town, the new town. So this now the area is close by.
All
so
right.
this is actually a prime area.
All right. All
Then
right.
below these are Avondale flats. They are being constructed in Avondale West. They are
Okay.
selling them off plan. There are 2 units available. A 2-bedroom having to share a bathroom and a toilet, and also modern open plan kitchen with the dining and the lounge. Then a 3-bedroom apartment.
All right.
Yes.
Then lastly, the top
And
tier
the
flat.
last one, this is now the most exciting.
Uh-huh.
This is the most exciting, especially for ZITF, especially for the kings and queens in Bulawayo.
Okay.
Because these are top tier family flats. They are here in Bulawayo.
Where are these flats?
They are just after Queen's Park Post Office.
okay,
There is
okay.
a road, New Mansford.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you turn New Mansford. There, we actually put a poster there.
All right.
We actually put a big sign post there.
Okay.
So these are actually flats. They are 3-bedroom flats. We've got about 12
All right.
5-story flats
Uh-huh.
with 3 units each flat.
Okay, I think we'd spend the whole day if we talked about Greyhomes. Greyhomes is going far and wide.
Exactly,
My
exactly.
guy, thanks for your time, and I hope that you do great business.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming through, and also viewers, be excited to do business with Greyhomes. We are here to construct a suitable and a very quality home for you. Thank
Okay,
you very much.
so that's us signing out.
Thank you.